How to fix character AI chat error. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the character AI chat error. If you've been trying to chat with AI characters but keep running into an error message or your chats aren't working properly, don't worry, I've got some real solutions for you, so let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Sometimes error occur because of a slow or unstable connection. Go ahead and make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a good mobile data. Next, if you're using the Character AI website, try refreshing the page. If you're on mobile, simply close the app and open it. Now, the next thing we can do is open your Character AI web browser and simply go to the chat where you're having or facing the problem. Now, simply customize the character and make sure that whatever fixes is needed to be fixed, and simply do that. And that's it. These are some of the best way to fix character AI chat error.